Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to play 5-finger fillet on Red Dead Redemption 2. So to play the 5-finger fillet, you must open your map and then find this hand symbol. And after you find it, just go inside the building you can play at. And also another note, you can play 5-finger fillet either solo or duo. So getting back to this video. And after you are inside the building, just approach the hand sign. And after approaching the hand sign, you can see at the right bottom corner for the option. So hold E on your keyboard to play it. So guys, that's how you play 5-finger fillet on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.